Hello students, so let's try to solve one more problem from CSIR NET December 2024, and this is question number 705127. So this is question from STR, one of the easiest question you can ever have. So what is this question? A certain elementary particle is created in an upper atmosphere. It then moves downward with speed v with 4 times 99999 c, so it's a very high speed with respect to an observer on Earth. Its lifetime in the rest frame is given 2 into 10 to the power minus 6, that is in the microsecond, and the distance traveled by the elementary particle before it decays close to what will be the following distance. Obviously, this distance have to calculate it with respect to Earth. So we have to just go for this one. So now students, how you will solve it? So it is given the speed of particle with respect to Earth is, the velocity of particle with respect to Earth is 4 times 9 c, and the lifetime is given. So this is proper lifetime given because it is given from the rest frame of pion. That means if you are sitting on pion, then you have this particular thing. So proper lifetime is 10 to the power minus 6 second. What will be distance? So distance is equal to v into tau, and this tau is not a proper time, rather this is dilated time. So what will happen? V into tau naught root under 1 minus v square upon c square. Once you will calculate all these things, so this calculation I am just leaving for you. You can just calculate with use of calculator. You will get 42 kilometer. So option 2 is correct. Now students, you can see easiest question, and this is the first question we are discussing in time dilation in our class and in the study material. Again you can see here this, yes, you can see, and this is page number, classical mechanics page number 262. Example, a muon is traveling lifetime 2.2 microsecond moving towards Earth. The speed of muon with respect to Earth is 0.998 c. Ignore the mass of muon, find the distance traveled by muon with respect to observer on Earth, and exactly same thing is there. So students, once you will do the focus preparation, the exam is just a cakewalk for you. But if you will be just not having confidence on yourself, confidence on your teacher, then obviously there will be really problem. So student, in this time we are just giving each and every reference of our study material, our class notes, our test series. From there we are getting this type of question. So students, just do this, and if you need any help, let me know.